Hello and welcome back to the field office. Today I'm doing a very quick video because I received a parcel. Now I know what's in the contents of this parcel because one, I was told, and two, I've already been in it. But I wanted to show you anyway who I'll call Zed from Tie Another Day. He was sending me a message wishing me a happy Christmas and everything. And he said he's having a clear out of his place. He's got a storage locker similar to probably Daniel Craig's Bond in Skyfall when they empty out. And he was basically having a clear out of things that he no longer wanted. And he wanted to see if I wanted any of them. I said, yeah, sure. So the thing he was talking about was, this. It is the Floris 007. This is a limited edition fragrance by Floris, bought out for the 60th anniversary of Dr. No, the first James Bond film. Now, Floris don't sell this anymore. I think it's only available on the 007 website, if it's still there. And I said, yeah, I mean, I've had one of these shortly after they came out. I've actually got like a very small amount left, just sort of like the dregs of the bottle. And I said, yeah, I'm literally just, come to the end of it. So, what do you want for it? And he said, nothing. He just said, no, just want to make sure it goes to a good home. He uses a different scent. So he's sort of bought it on a whim and decided he doesn't want it anymore. So, yeah, I said, yeah, that'd be great. I'm really appreciative of it. So he sent me that. What he's also sent me is this little pamphlet about the 007 fragrance, which was probably available from Floris at the time they were selling it. A little cracker. Now, I remember I got a few of these before getting the big size bottle to see if I liked it. I got actually a few of these from Brand Alley when they had the Floris range on, because they were selling them so cheaply. And this will have a little 10 milliliter bottle of the 007 in there, and these things are so handy for traveling, like about that size, fit into your wash kit really easily. So yeah, and then he sent me a load of these Floris samples. So I've got this one, Amaryllis. I'm probably butchering that. A number 89, which is my preferred fragrance from them. Santal Intense, another number 89, and another Santal Intense. I think that is it. So nice to have received such a gift. These things are, I think this is like £100. So the fact that Zed has sent this to me for absolutely nothing is really, really kind. And I think that's the whole thing around this time of year. It's kindness. So I'm very appreciative of this. Thank you, Zed, for this. I received this with so much gratitude. So thank you for that, as well as all the other little bits that you sent me. It's staggering the kindness you can get in the community. So I just wanted to highlight that. Nothing else, just the fact that this was sent by Tie Another Day, and it was just so kind. So thank you, Zed. I hope you have a great new year. Hope the move goes well. Everyone else, just give Tie Another Day a follow on Instagram. He does post on there occasionally, so just give him a follow. So thank you, Zed. Thank you very much. That's the end of this video for today. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel, like if you like this video, and share it with anybody else you feel like. Until next time.